I actually observed the whole process of the water coming in. At that point, the basement already was flooding, and we were trying to pump it out, and then the electricity went down, so it just was an act of God, so to speak, with nothing possible to do. It's kind of a zombie film that you are unwilling participant of. The tide reversed itself when it was right at the edge of my door. So I would imagine half hour and another few inches that, it would bridge through the sandbags and it would come to the ground floor. But as it is, it only went to the basement. This is just few images from this basement. That's another piece that we actually rescued. That was one of the least affected pieces on canvas. So these are all these pieces that are lost. Very kind of exuberant, huge, elaborate, beautiful pieces. The next day, you had all these smaller scale dealers in galoshes working with no generators and headlights and, flipping the drawings in the wind to have them dry. This is a show of Diana Cooper, whose big storage unit was in Tribeca. As you can see, she works with a very unorthodox, very fragile materials that, just are not surviving in 5 feet of water for 5 days, because that, unfortunately, is what happened over there. Chelsea is, at this point, inches towards luxury, but it still has a number of galleries that are very sort of a smaller enterprise, more radical, more experimental, run by very committed people. This becomes a catalyzer to make this gap even bigger because, it's much harder to recover when you don't have those means.